Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, not only Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone, but no guys, no, something crazy is happening for Bitcoin. And this is what no one can take away from us. We printed a new all-time high today on Christmas. And the most important question right now is, of course, is this breakout here a confirmed breakout? Are we going to go higher actually to a price target here all the way up here? I am going to mention in this video. I am going to mention other price targets as well. But I want to tell you, there are some signs of caution here we have to take care about. Previously, we actually hit an all-time high 3 times and we broke down afterwards. Is the same thing happening right now, or are we going to go higher? Well guys, this is exactly what I want to be talking about today. And as you know, I do put my money where my mouth is. Yesterday in the video with Da Vinci, I announced that I am going to trade this breakout. And as you can see right here, as I announced in yesterday's video, I traded this Bitcoin breakout. You can see it right here. I will be showing you not only all my old trades, but also my brand new trade I just opened a few hours ago. I will show it to you. I will be talking about when I am going to close it, but more importantly, if I would be standing on the sidelines, what would be the next trade I would be actually opening for Bitcoin. And if you also want to be trading Bitcoin right now here on free margin with free money basically, make sure you scroll down to the pinned comment down below where you get hundreds of US dollars in free bonus for limited time with these links. If you are an experienced trader, if you click the link, takes 20 seconds to make an account, and after your initial deposit you can get hundreds of US dollars for free for your own trading on Bybit and Phemex. And also guys, just as I said, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you so much for all your support. We are getting crazy views here, 50, 60, 70,000 views. This is only because of you. You are not only the most profitable crypto community in the world, this is proven, but also the most supportive one. Thank you so much for always smashing up the like button towards a new all-time high. Let's hit 25,000 likes today. Thank you so much for that. Also press the subscription button, press the bell and press on all. And with that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And guys, Merry Christmas for everyone who is celebrating it. Happy Holidays for everyone who's not celebrating it. Regardless, I wish you a good time with your family, with your friends. This is what it really comes down to, and I think money is just secondary or even behind, and it just helps us to live a good life, of course. So I want to go dive here deep into it, into the best form of money, Bitcoin, and tell you exactly what I think is going to happen here in the immediate short term, because you can see we got a breakout here out of the symmetrical triangle, and this is pretty much in alignment with what I was actually talking about yesterday with Da Vinci J15. As I already told you in the introduction, I opened a trade here, and I want to talk about whether this breakout is legitimate. What are the next price target? What am I expecting for Bitcoin? And of course also what will be my next trade on Bitcoin here right now. I want to be talking about that. So let's dive here deep into it. And as you can see here, the Bitcoin price was forming throughout the last, I don't know, 5-6 days or so, this symmetrical triangle with many bounces on the upside and on the downside. And this was a tricky one because as you can see, we had many fake outs. I mean, no matter how you draw the lines here, we had fake outs, and it was very important to determine, is this right now, for example, this one, or is this breakout or this breakout here a legitimate one? Should we trade it? Well, and all of these breakouts were actually not tradable. The question is this now the legitimate breakout we were actually waiting for? Is this the Christmas pump I was actually asking for here on Twitter? Come on, Bitcoin, give us a green Christmas. Well, I want to talk about that. First of all, on the hourly candles, let's talk about the volume here. And of course, I want to go here, dive into the charts. I want to show you my old trades, my brand new trade from yesterday, where I'm going to close it, and also what I would be doing here if I would be standing on the sidelines right now. But you can see here on the hourly candles, the hourly candle here is actually quite nice. I mean, it's not perfect, but at least it is beating all the previous volume candles. It is beating all the previous fake out candles, not by a significant amount, but at least it is beating it. So the volume is already, at least let's call it decent here. Not perfect, but decent. Definitely not a big warning sign here. Let's dive here deep into the 15-minute candles to determine whether we got a breakout confirmation. And once again, if you draw the trend lines here of the symmetrical triangle, it is a little bit subjective. You could move them a little bit. But if you draw it as I showed it to you before here, based on the 1 hourly candles, and then you go a little bit deeper into it, then you can see that this specific breakout seems like it had a confirmation here. So far, far, our two rules are fulfilled. At least decent volume. I would like to see more volume, to be honest. And we got a breakout confirmation. What you can see though is if you traded previous breakouts, sometimes you were caught up in a fake out. And going back to the 1 hourly candles, and wait here, stick with me until the end. I want to show you all my trades. I want to show you my price targets and my expectations. But you can see actually 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times here we formed on the hourly consecutively here new all-time highs, and always in the moment we formed the all-time high, Bitcoin broke down every single time. And the question of course is, are we going to do the same? Well, our invalidation point would be actually when Bitcoin breaks back below this trend line. Even if this retracement goes further here, only if we break and close an hourly candle below this trend line here among the 23,700, 23,600, the later the lower here, when we are breaking below and closing an hourly candle below, this would be the moment when I get a little bit alerted and when I would probably go out of my trade here in a slight loss. We shouldn't be too proud to say actually, well, I was wrong here. So far we are right with our trade. And as you remember, yesterday I announced I am going to trade this specific breakout here once Bitcoin breaks above this level here, above this level, which was also, and this is a coincidence, but I love these coincidences and confluences, which is in alignment with the level where DaVinci J15 quoted a breakout here at this horizontal line. At these daily candles, he was quoting the breakout approximately at the 23,840 US dollar level. This was in alignment with my confirmed breakout here, and of course, furthermore, a reason for me to jump into this trade, just as I announced yesterday. And as you can also see here in this 15 seconds clip here, right there from yesterday. But we have to wait here for Bitcoin to break this horizontal resistance of 23,822, which is actually the exact level where we had many daily closes here already. So thank you, DaVinci. We have all your price targets. We have all your potential trades here. You would probably not be doing a breakout trade. Maybe I'm going to put one in. Well, and as you can see, the Bitcoin price broke out, and specifically here at this level of 23,800, we got the confirmed breakout, and we also went above the level from DaVinci. And I posted this here on Twitter. As I announced in yesterday's video, I traded this Bitcoin breakout, and I will go here also into the chart of Phemex, but this is what I was telling you, and I am sticking to these words. We have to be very, very careful here. Bitcoin formed an all-time high 3 times recently, and then we broke down. So please be prepared, at least for the unexpected here, even though this one seems legitimate. And of course, we can celebrate here, smash up the like button, that for the 4th time in the row, here we are right now forming an all-time high. We have an all-time high on Christmas, which is of course beautiful. And of course also, guys, before I forget it, do you remember actually when I was saying this Bitcoin dump is a trap, and when I was actually predicting that after this Bitcoin dump here we are getting a W and probably a breakout towards the upside for good? Well, everyone who traded this here, this confirmed breakout, it didn't go exactly as predicted since we got this rejection here. But if you didn't go to over leveraged, look at this, the Bitcoin price right now exactly, but pretty much exactly up to the exact dollar hit our price target. You can see it right here. So congratulations for everyone who stayed in a trade, who was not in an airplane and was forced to use a stop loss just like me here. Congratulations for you guys. Your gains are my gains, and I am truly very happy about that. Leave your gains in the comment section down below if you're watching that. This is what makes the MMCrypto community the most profitable one in the world. Congratulations for you guys. Going back here into the history, actually, I was posting this here just recently. The Christmas Bitcoin prices in 2010 we had 25 cents. 2 years later, $13. And you can see here consecutively here higher prices. 2014, $330, 2016, $900, $4,000 in 2018, and now in 2020 we had another 5x from that, 23,400 US dollars. And I mean, the trend is your friend until the end, right? If you look at the 2-year candles, well, this is a very, very clear trend. And I'm telling you, 2022, the price will be significantly higher, maybe not 275,000. We will be probably in the middle of the bear market back then. But if you look at 2023, 2021 in Christmas, I think this would be a very, very legit and realistic price target. I could be wrong here. Well, I want to go here directly into my trades because you know, guys, I put my money where my mouth is. I still have all my trades open here and I just opened a new one, of course, with proper risk management. First of all, I want to talk about my old trades. Then I go into my new trades. I go into my specific price target for this Bitcoin breakout. So stick with me here. And also what I would be doing if I would be standing on the sidelines, what would be my next trade? Stick here with me. So first of all, this is my trade over on Bybit. It is right now $200,000 in a profit, and I am going to take profits here very soon, but not before I take profits on my Phemex trade here. So if I were to go over to my one Phemex trade, you can see it right there, and this one is right now $145,000 in a profit, nearly $100,000 already taken after I took 11.7 Bitcoin here already in profits. And then of course I have my very old trade, my long-term trade, which I opened at $9,400 right here, nearly $340,000 in a profit. And this is the moment, guys, I want to show you my new trade, my very risky trade, which is liable to get closed here. You remember my old trade here got closed in a slight loss. I wanted to show it to you here. My close position, $1 million. I closed it at approximately 10% in a loss. And unfortunately, that's why I usually don't trade stop losses, but I was in an airplane and I wanted to make sure that when I cannot govern the charts, that I am getting stopped out here when it is necessary. And this is the reason why I don't really like these stop losses. Anyway, this is the life, and we shouldn't be too proud here to not to jump into the next trade, of course, also with proper risk management. And as you can see here, if I scroll up a little bit, this one also has $1 million in size, and I opened it, of course, just as I announced it here, above the $23,800 levels after the confirmed breakout, and it is right now $26,000 in a profit, and this here is the funding fee. As you know, guys, I put my money where my mouth is. But now the question is, Chris, where are you going to close the trade? Where is Bitcoin going to go here? Not only in the immediate short term, but then also in the midterm. Well, let me talk about the immediate short term. And our most conservative target, if we are actually treating this as a symmetrical or horizontal triangle, well, our most realistic target would be actually this measured move price target. And I am not telling you 100% we are going to reach it, but so far we are getting this breakout. And as you can see, this breakout would be actually having a target of $25,570. I would be taking profits before this level, of course, and yes, this would be actually my take profit. So let's wait and see here if this is going to happen. If you took my trade here actually from yesterday, which is actually in alignment with DaVinci's trade, congratulations to you. Maybe you can leave your gains so far here in the comment section down below. But of course, guys, as always, expect the unexpected. Now I wanted to go over here to the daily candles actually and tell you exactly what I think here after the $25,570 levels. In the best case scenario, what would be our next target? Well, because you know, we always have to target the next price level here when we are reaching the old one, because otherwise we have no goal, we have no game plan. And for this, of course, we are pulling the Fibonacci retracement level from the swing high to the swing low. We are pulling it over, and then you can see right now we actually broke the previous Fibonacci retracement level significantly. And this is the moment we have to quote the next price target. This was, of course, a level where we were getting resistance, the level I was predicting previously here, but we broke the $23,700, $23,800 level. So the next one would be actually the 2.272 level, the $26,400 level. That would be, of course, a big Christmas present. Let's wait and see if this is actually going to happen. But of course, the moment actually Michael Saylor was buying, this was the moment I was seeing there will be a lot of confidence in the market. And even though Bitcoin is going to break down, the market knows that Michael Saylor was buying in this week. Michael Saylor was buying $650 million of Bitcoin here in this specific week. Of course, he bought OTC, but the market timing was just crazy. And you can see how he bought confidence in the market. I could imagine that in a year or so, this guy is going to be a huge Bitcoin legend who put $1 billion into Bitcoin and just transformed it into 20 billion US dollars, which will be much more worth it than his whole company. Just completely amazing. And Michael Saylor, I don't know if you or any friends of you are watching this, I want to invite you to our channel. I really want you to have you on the channel, and we can talk no matter how much time you can allocate here to this one. We can talk about that. And everyone, if you are watching it, please tag Michael Saylor and ask him to join the MMCrypto show. And it would be just amazing to have him here and just ask him about his predictions, about the reasons why he went into Bitcoin, and also his long-term predictions for Bitcoin, what he is actually expecting for Bitcoin right now. That would be very interesting, of course, for everyone here. Smash up the like button and give me some feedback in the comment section down below if you want him here in this specific show. Now you know all my price targets, all my expectations, my new trade, my old trades. I mean, I cannot be more transparent here. And if you do appreciate that, guys, please give me this feedback. Smash up the like button towards a new all-time high. Smash it to 25,000 likes. Who knows, guys? So let's try to hit it. We already hit 8,500 in one of the last episodes. So thank you so much for that. Smash up the subscription button, the bell, and also on press the all button to get the notification when I am releasing the next time-sensitive video. And with that being said, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, already today or tomorrow. I am here for you even on the Christmas days. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, guys, click the subscription box right here somewhere, and also the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, bye-bye.